Hey guys, welcome back to Kanak's kitchen, and today I'll be showing you this recipe of Semiya Custard Milkshake, and make sure you watch the video till the end as I'm going to show you how to serve this in different style, which I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's begin. So first up, in a pan we are going to take 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee, and once it is melted we are going to add in half a cup of thin semiya. So this is a thin semiya or the vermicelli, easily available in the market. If you want, you can use the thick variety also. Roast that for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you see a white coating on top. Make sure to do this on low to medium flame, else it will burn. Once that is done, for about 3 minutes, I'm going to add in some finely chopped dry fruits. So basically, I'm doing everything in one pot. I've made this recipe very simple and easy for you guys by cooking everything in one pan. Dry roast these as well just for a minute. And then to this, I'm adding 2 cups of pre-boiled milk. Let it come to a good boil and then cook it further on low to medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes or until it comes to slightly thicker consistency. For flavoring, you can add a few strands of saffron or even cardamom powder if you wish to. So keep cooking it and mixing it. It has turned slightly thicker. At this stage, we are going to add in half a cup of sugar. Mix that as well, let it melt and cook with the milk and keep it on low flame. Meanwhile, what we are doing, in a small bowl here, I've taken 2 tablespoons of custard powder. This is the vanilla flavored custard powder I'm using. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chilled milk. Mix it and there should not be any lumps. So basically, we are making custard powder slurry. This will help in making the milkshake thick and creamy. So guys, because of this, the milkshake will turn so flavorful, creamy, that you should definitely try for this season, and I'm sure you guys gonna love it. And if you like my recipes, then you can definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So now let's add the custard mixture to the milk in batches. Keep adding in batches and mixing it all the while so that no lumps are seen. Keep doing this and let it cook on medium flame for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now let me show you the consistency. You can see everything is nicely cooked. Slight coating consistency. Do not overcook this, otherwise it will turn very thick after it cools down. So at this stage, I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool down. And once it comes down to room temperature, I'm going to refrigerate this for about 3 to 4 hours or until chilled enough. So after keeping it in the fridge for almost 3 to 4 hours, it has become slightly thicker. You can see this, it has chilled also. Now let's start serving it, my favorite part of the recipe. So first I'm going to serve this in a big sized glasses like these. Pour the semiya custard into the glass. Top it up with some dry fruits. Superb. It's looking so delicious and creamy. Perfect for the season. And if you want, you can also add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Superb. And the another way of serving is add some fruits onto this glass, up to 1/3 or half portion. So I'm adding some apple, kiwi, pomegranate, and then I'm going to pour this chilled semiya custard milkshake over it. If you want, you can enjoy as it is also, but I'm adding a scoop of ice cream. You can use any flavor of ice cream, and then finally you can garnish it with some more fruits or dry fruits on top. Doesn't it look really amazing and delicious? So if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts on this. I'll see you soon with another tempting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.